Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page for business. First, understand that a landing page is a standalone web page designed for a single, focused objective, such as generating leads or making a sale. Unlike a traditional website, it intentionally lacks navigation to other pages, keeping visitors focused on one specific action. This singular focus, combined with clear calls to action, is what makes landing pages incredibly effective for achieving marketing goals and boosting conversion rates by 20% or more. Next, let's look at the essential components every successful landing page needs. Start with a compelling headline that immediately communicates your main benefit. Support this with high-quality visuals, such as engaging images or a short video to capture attention. Your body copy should be concise and benefit-driven, clearly explaining why visitors should take action. Finally, include a prominent call to action, like a form or button, to guide them toward conversion. Now, let's discuss design and optimization. Keep your layout clean and uncluttered to maintain visitor focus on your offer. It's vital to ensure your page is fully mobile responsive, looking great on any device. To continuously improve, regularly /B test different elements like headlines or button colors. Aim for fast load times, ideally under 3 seconds, as this significantly impacts user experience and conversion rates. Finally, after launching your landing page, the work isn't over. Integrate analytics tools to track visitor behavior and understand how users interact with your content. Regularly monitor key metrics like conversion rates and bounce rates to gauge effectiveness. Actively gather feedback from users to identify any pain points or areas for improvement. This continuous analysis and refinement process is crucial for optimizing your landing page for the best possible results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.